Hi, this is the Garden Wooden Ranch. Yes. Ready, guys? Ready? What's on it down?
The top.
Where?
Nope, the top.
The top? Oh, the top. This is the impressive.
Roper.
Oh, give me the camera. This was unexpected. Give me the camera.
Okay, go get Roper out of there.
This was unexpected.
Go get him out.
This was unexpected.
Gentle, Stetson. Okay,
I'm
hold him.
on him.
All right, Roper.
Don't need to worry about him.
Papa. Come on, Pappy.
He's not gonna eat y'all. No, not yet, Stetson.
Hold on, Stetson.
Let them all out.
Stetson, we gotta let him out.
We gotta let them out. Then we gotta feed them. Then we get the eggs. I just want to be in position.
Okay, Waylon, you gonna feed him?
Wait, first let me get the with the check.
They're okay. They need food though.
Okay.
Well, Stetson, I think you discovered that they're out of water. Go get the hose.
Stop.
That's the empty bag.
You should throw it away.
Okay, we will. Okay, Stetson, don't worry about that. I want you to go get the hose, please.
The hose. I can't go. Oh, that hose?
Yeah.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Do I play with the...
Okay.
I'll go get some eggs for us.
Can you reach it? Or you're gonna go the other that way?
Wait, there's something in my... Wait, put the mama seat. Is the mama seat?
Roper, no.
No, Roper. Meanwhile, watch out. Meanwhile.
Alright, go over there.
What'd you find?
I found 2 eggs.
Okay.
One box. I haven't checked the other boxes. Brother, don't step on the hose. Okay.
Here, I'll put him in my pocket.
Yeah, you have no. Put it in your pockets. You have so many pockets. Listen, Chloe, the mama seasons are coming.
They're thirsty.
The chickens are coming, Holly. I wanted to drink. They can't survive without water. So, but be fast. They're coming in.
Okay, Daddy, can you help Waylon check for any other eggs?
Yeah.
I want to get there. Get out there.
Hey, go with Dad.
No. They're more than coming. Oh, that's Mama Sita. That's Mama Sita.
You can leave her.
Leave her. That's Mama Sita. And
She's
leave.
fine.
Leave.
Yep, she's just gonna sit on them.
Yeah, we're gonna let her hatch them.
Oh, I didn't know we were gonna let them hatch. So anyone over there, we're gonna let her hatch.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Maybe we'll have some baby chicks soon. That'd be cool.
Yeah. There'll be a wheel. Don't.
Is it full, Stetson?
It's all the way yet.
It's pretty full.
Okay.
Here, I'll get the hose out.
Oh. You gotta put that lid on.
Mommy, what types of chickens are the yellow ones? Mommy, what are
Buff Orpingtons.
So I got a buff Orpington feather.
Oh, you did?
Uh-huh.
All right.
So, but what?
Waylon, I have some questions for you.
What?
Why are you the chicken whisperer?
Because I love chickens. I know a lot about birds. I'm just like an Irish brother. My brother's teaching me.
He's teaching you?
I'm teaching him how to be one.
Okay.
Of chicken.
A chicken whisperer?
I have a bird feather collection. I have one of our types of our chickens feathers. It's a Buff Orpington. Those are the yellow ones. Every yellow one that is entirely yellow is our. Show the camera that feather. No, this is. And my brother just gave me a feather of a what?
Can you guys, most importantly, can you guys show us how you do the chicken dance? Ready? Go.
Uh-huh.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, now let's go around this stuff. She is so bossy.
Bossy.
Bossy. Mom, now.
What you doing?
We're just making rows because our little machine over there broke. So we basically have to do it by hand. We're about 3/4 of the way and the belt snapped. So now we're doing everything by hand, which feels good and not good. It's good exercise, but yeah, we just got a little bit more. I'll let you finish the last row so they can see. I guess you do some labor. But
Nice.
yeah.
Still going.
Well, we're gonna put down some weed barrier, and I'm hoping this thing's still on, but we're gonna put down some weed barrier, burn some holes in it, and plant some different things, maybe some corn and some more, maybe tomatoes and peppers and watermelons and all that good stuff. Little helper's way over there.
It's on the camera.
Oh yeah, he's not camera shy.
Arms are getting tired.
I
A
bet.
lot of hard work that we weren't planning to do. Ready to roll this out? I'll let you take the heavy side. Straddle the roll. You want to turn this the other way?
Yeah.
And then straddle around and where you go. You're full of me.
Sure, there's an easier way.
Yep, they're 100% is. We wouldn't do it if it was the easy way. This kind of on the edge of this row, a little bit over. Stick it down in the corners.
let's see, so we gotta get that in the middle of it. Yeah. That about right there.
Well, I don't want it like right in the middle because
Okay.
it's perfect right there.
Right here?
Yep. Alright, we got 3 rows done. We've got about 5 more to go, but we're figuring out a system, making it work. Hopefully this will help keep down the weeds. It's really tough. Last year I planted a little bit in the ground back here, and it didn't take long at all for the rain to come in and the weeds to rise higher than all of the crops. So just trying our best to really keep that weed pressure down. When you're dealing with Bermuda and rye and crabgrass and all the good stuff, makes it a little bit difficult, but we're gonna get it done.